Hello there! St. Patrick's Day is just around the corner, and I was hoping to share with you these three cute, easy, affordable DIYs. The first one that I want to share with you is using a canvas from the Dollar Tree, of course. I wanted to make this a reverse canvas, so I used my X-Acto knife and cut the back of the canvas, as you can see, towards the edge, so you didn't have to deal with the staples. In the beginning, I used to use this staple remover, and I realized that cutting is a lot easier and then pulling it off than using the staple remover. But be careful, be very careful with that X-Acto knife if you do use that, because I've seen pictures of people cutting almost their fingers off on Facebook groups. So please be careful when you use that X-Acto knife. So once I have done that, then I take the wood and I place it over the canvas so that I can get a better eyesight of where I want my canvas cut, so that you don't see anything hanging off the back of that wood. So once that is finished, I took my chalk paint and covered the wood. I tried really hard to get in the little crevices, because now that you took the canvas off, you see these holes and whatnot. So I tried really hard to get inside of those to cover that color wood up. So, of course, as I was working on this canvas, I painted it gold and realized that I should have painted that black. So, excuse my little mistake. It is, I try so hard with the kids around to make sure that I'm doing exactly what I'm supposed to be doing, but it sometimes gets a little hectic. So, I am now painting over that gold with the green, and I put my little Shamrock vinyls. I found this on my Cricut Design Space, and then you see me going back. I took the other part of the canvas off to paint this black like it should have been, and I let it dry for a while. Sometimes the canvas, when I paint over the vinyl, it seeps under, so it's really difficult sometimes with paint and canvas and vinyl. But if you have any suggestions or advice to use so that it won't get under, or so that the paint doesn't come off like you see in my video, please comment down below. I'd love to hear from you. I was able to fix it, of course, but to make my life a little easier, I should have painted that black and then have done everything else afterwards. So here you are, see me fixing my little paint mishaps with the black, and then I somehow pulled it out and made this painting look really cool, because I did blend with the black and the gold. I don't know if it was because of the Dollar Tree black acrylic paint I used or what. I don't know if I recommend that Dollar Tree paint yet. I know that's not the best quality, so I'm still testing it out, so I will share that with you soon. And then here's my Gorilla Glue. Here you see me pressing very carefully, making sure that it's straight and that you don't press it in the middle of your canvas. And once it's dry, there you go, voila, a cute little shamrock with a pot of gold. 17 for March, 17 St. Patrick's Day. The next DIY project you see me doing is from one of the wooden hanging decor pieces at the Dollar Tree. I went to Michael's and grabbed different shades of green, I want to say last week. Their paint selection was not very big. I don't know if someone just went crazy in the paint section or what. So I tried my best to grab different shades of green because I wanted to do an ombre effect on one of my projects. So I just chose a dark color and a light color green acrylic paint, and I painted every other shamrock a different color. So I swap the green, the dark green and the light green. And then once I finished that, I painted the little banner piece, the metallic gold, and then let that dry. At the Dollar Tree, they have these wooden letters. I love them. I use them all the time for my wreaths. And I painted them with the black acrylic paint. And once that was dry, I then Gorilla Glued Lucky onto the banner. And that was it. I didn't do much with this at all. But I love the colors, the gold and the green and the black. It just looks beautiful and so simple. What a simple decoration for St. Patrick's Day. So cute. So for my last DIY, I used these little mason jars from the Dollar Tree and I painted them with my Waverly chalk paint. I did one coat. I was happy with seeing a little bit of the glass through the chalk paint. I then found this gorgeous glitter shimmer vinyl from Michael's that I grabbed. I looked all over the place for some Shamrock stickers at the Dollar Tree, Walmart. What was the other store I went to? Five Below? No, I don't think it was. But I couldn't find any, so I just used this vinyl and my Cricut machine, and I cut out some shamrocks and I placed them all over the mason jars. They look so cute. I was so happy with the way that this came out, even though I couldn't find those stickers. And you see me placing them all around the mason jars towards the top. I creased, as you can see, so that they weren't sticking up or anything. Oh, it was so cute. I love it. I'm so excited how this project came out. These are the ones where you're like, oh, should I bring it to the store or should I keep it? I'm gonna bring it to the store, but if no one buys it, it's coming back to my house. And then you see me putting Mod Podge over them as a sealant. I probably should have painted the bottoms. I might go over that again. That is up to you if you want to paint the bottom or not. So I'm not sure if I'm going to do that or not, but if I'm gonna get it to the store, I probably should. Put the Mod Podge over that, and there you go. Nice and easy. And of course, I added some pretty flowers and greenery from the Dollar Tree as well. Oh my goodness, so classy. So how cute are these? I love St. Patrick's Day. I cannot wait to decorate with these. So simple, easy, affordable, and all ready for St. Patrick's Day. Again, thank you so much for all of the support. Thank you for subscribing. Hit that like button and share, and I will see you next time. Bye.